With over 30 years of experience in RFID and semiconductor applications, and more than 300,000 readers installed in over 20 countries, the HERMOS RFID LFM Loadport Reader family has become a trusted global standard for semiconductor identification. This family of high-performance RFID readers is designed for the identification of wafer cassettes, boxes, and FOUPs in the world's most advanced chip fabs. Each model combines robust industrial hardware, intelligent functions, and flexible configurations, tailored to a wide range of customer and project requirements. For the power supply, every reader features a reliable 5-pin M12 connector. Customers can use their own cable assemblies or select matching components from the comprehensive range of HERMOS accessories. On the front side, the LFM Reader family offers a variety of communication interfaces, including RS-232, RS-485, Ethernet, and EtherCAD. This versatility ensures seamless integration into existing fab automation systems, from direct equipment control to higher-level MES connectivity. Turning to the backside, the readers provide multiple antenna connection options, available as LEMO or SMA variants. These connectors support the full range of HERMOS antennas, enabling the creation of complete, precisely matched RFID systems.
Several I/O options provide an integration possibility into already existing load ports. By using these I/Os, the customer can trigger an automatic reading by using any type of placement sensor which is integrated into the load port.
At the top of the device, 3 status LEDs and 2 control buttons allow intuitive operation and quick visual feedback. The auto-tuning button automatically optimizes the antenna to its environment, ensuring stable performance and maximum reading range, even in metal-rich surroundings. The test button activates a standalone test mode, perfect for on-site setup or troubleshooting without the need for a PC or host software. Reliable, flexible, and future-proof, the HERMOS RFID LFM Loadport Reader family defines the benchmark for RFID technology in the semiconductor industry.